Hello friends, good morning. Today we are going to start our new topic. Before that, I will revise our previous topic which we have completed, per capita income related growth rate of per capita income as an indicator of economic development. Okay, meaning and there's all limitations and this all countries related per capita income. This all have we have completed. So I hope you understood and you got very well. Now we will discuss about our new topic that is related to improvement in quality of life and PQLI. Okay, these both are changed. Quality of life and PQLI, these both are different. Okay, what is the difference in this both? First, what do you mean by the quality of life? Quality of life, that means improvement in the better standard of living. Okay, you can see improvement the standard of living, that is known as quality of life. Improvement the standard of living of the people, that is known as quality of life. And in our economic development we know very well what is our objective, what is our main objective. Our main objective is the improvement the overall life standard of the society, of a country, or of a particular region or a particular area, that is known as the economic development, correct? So our main objective is to improve the quality of life the people. If quality of life the people will increase, that means that country is economically development taken place. Okay, in this we will measure the physical quality of life index, but before that we will discuss what do you mean by the quality of life. Quality of life, that means what? Improvement the standard of living of the people. Clear? Now our next question is, what is the quality, physical quality of life? Remember that it is not index. Sometime in exam, physical quality of life related question, but student will write physical quality of life index. Remember this thing, these both are different. Now we are discussing about the physical quality of life. Physical quality of life, that means betterment of life standard, or it refers to these 3 points which are given here. But before that, I will just tell in a one single sentence what do we mean by the physical quality of life. Physical quality of life, that means betterment of life standard, betterment of life standard of the people, that is known as physical quality of life. Clear? Now we have these 3 points. In this 3 point we will discuss in detail. First one is the how we will measure that. Standard of the consumption refer to the these three. First one is the consumption of food, fuel, and other non-durable goods. Non-durable goods, that means what? Which are not durable, which cannot be consumed for long time period. Okay, these are known as non-durable goods. So consumption of food, what type of food we are taking, what type of food we are getting. Second one is what type of fuel we are using, petrol, diesel, coal, or water, or what type of fuel we are using. Next one is the other non-durable goods. Other non-durable goods, that means which cannot be used for a long time period. That is known as non-durable goods. Clear? One time we use, then finish. Like an apple. I want to consume that apple, then it will be over, it will be finished. So that is what type of good? Non-durable good. Okay. Second one is the consumption of durable and semi-durable. Here we have discussed about the food, fuel, and other non-durable goods. Second one is consumption of durable and semi-durable goods. You know, what do you mean by the durable and semi-durable goods? Durable goods, that means which can be consumed for the long last or long time period. These are durable goods. Like AC, one time you will use and it will finish. No, that means what? That is durable good. And second one, your car, bike, these are durable goods. That means that can be worked for a long time period. That can be used for the long time period by a person. That is durable good. Clear? Semi-durable. Not much long time period, but for short time period, we will use more than one time. Okay, like this go. We will use not for very long time period. Okay, 2 time, 10 time, 5 time, 20 time. We will use that clothes. So that is what type of good? Semi-durable good. That will be used for more than one time, but not much long last. Okay, that is known as semi-durable goods. So first one point which has related to physical quality of life. This will be refer, the standard of consumption will refer to the first one, consumption of food, fuel, and other non-durable goods. Second one will be consumption of durable and semi-durable goods. Third one, consumption of services during a period of time. Services. First one we have completed food, fuel, and other non-durable. Second one is durable and semi-durable. Third one is services during a period of time by a person or a group of people. Okay, that means services. What type of services a person is using? The services during a period of time. Okay, the services during a period of time. That means if I'm getting any treatment of the doctor, for from which doctor I'm getting treatment, by which time period I'm getting this treatment. If I'm using any type of traveling services, then I am using this, which type of the traveling services. So this all, and for how much time period I'm using same type of services, I improved or not. If I improved, that means my living standard has improved. Okay, clear? So by a person or a group of people. This consumption standard of living standard determines the physical quality of life. So this type of consumption, what type of consumption we are using for our standard of or living standard determines the physical quality of life. Only for that reason, the first sentence I told, what do you mean by the physical quality of life standard? Physical quality of life standard, that means what type of consumption or living standard we are using or people are using. That is known as physical quality of life. Only this one sentence we can write and we can get 1 mark for the 1 mark question. Clear? If you have a doubt, you can ask. You can write and you can message to me. Clear? So, living standard, that means a better quality standard, a betterment of the life standard is concerned in the physical quality of life. What type of living standard we have? Clear, student? Now, second one. This all are related to, hence consumption or living standard is determined as physical quality of life. If the living standard of the people goes up, that means better quality goods we are using. Suppose I'm using inferior quality grains like bajra and this all maize and this. If and low quality rice I'm using, after a particular time period, if my income will rise, what I will do? I will increase to use this basmati rice and good quality standard goods I will use. That means my living standard will be improved. Clear? So we are discussing about, hence consumption or living standard is identified is physical quality of life. If the living standard of the people goes up, that means improve their life. If they are using inferior quality goods, and if their income will rise, they will use better quality goods and services. That means what? Their life is goes up. You can say their life is improved. Their living standard has improved. They are living in better standard of living. So that is the physical quality of life is improving. Clear? If due to any reason economic changes going on, and due to that reason there are whatever quality they are using it, if that quality has not better, on the place of that quality has go down. Okay, suppose they are using basmati rice and due to decrease their income, they have not a sufficient money, and due to that reason they will use inferior quality grains. That means what? Their standard of living has go down. Clear? So this type of changes will occur in their life, and we can measure their physical quality of life. Their physical quality is a country's people's goes up, that means their physical quality of life has gone up. Clear? And better standard of living days are used. Now we have some aspects which are included in the physical quality of life. This will be measure a country's physical quality of life. Okay, we have this total 10 points, and according to this 10 points, we can be measure a country's physical quality of life, not index. Remember that index is totally different from that. Clear? Consumption of goods services consumed by an individual during a period of 1 year. Okay, in which time period we can measure what type of goods and services used by an individual during a period of 1 year determine the physical quality of life. Okay, in this following things will be and determined will be included. First one is food. In this, all type of calories, proteins, vitamins, fats that person is consuming, what type of food that person is consuming. If that person is using better quality goods, that means that person is getting proper calorie, proper protein, fats, vitamins, and overall this all. Okay, now second one is the health and medical services. Health and medical services, that means how many doctors are available for the total population. Okay, in detail, I will explain this point in the population related chapter. That time we will just explain it how many doctors are available in India for 1,000 people or for 2,000 people. Availability of the doctors to the population. Next one is housing and clothing. Housing and clothing, that means in a particular house, how many members are living. Clear? And by in this family, what is their living standard in their house? Availability of the clothes. They are using this clothes. How they are using their houses. This all will be considered in that. That means suppose in a house, 3 members are living, 5 members are living in only one room. 5 members are just using that one particular room and like that. So what type of house they have? How many members are sharing a particular house? That is known as housing and clothing ability. Clear? What type of clothes they are using, branded or low quality or what color. Okay, so this all will be considered in this third point. Fourth point is what? Education and entertainment. Education and entertainment, that means ability and percentage of the population getting primary, secondary, higher secondary education. Television, theater availability, and all other entertainment related equipment they have or not. So this all will be considered in that. First of all, what is the percentage of population getting primary, secondary education? That is will be included in the education and entertainment. Okay. Now next one, transportation, communication, and information services. The extent of road, railway lines, number of telephones, and or at per capita. So this all will be considered transport, communication, and information services. Which point we are discussing? 6. Okay, 6th number is energy. Per capita energy consumption. Per capita energy consumption, that means in our India, if we are discussing about India, these peoples are consuming energy per day. How many energy they are consuming by coal, by petrol, by diesel, electricity. This all will be included in this. Okay, so per capita energy consumption will calculate in that. Next one is the population having access to pure drinking water facility. How many people are getting pure drinking water facility? Because you know in our India, in slum areas, they have not a proper drinking water facility. These are using dirty water, and due to that reason their health will be affected. Clear? So how in a particular region, in a particular country, or in a particular state, how many peoples are using pure drinking water facility? Clear? So population having access to pure drinking water. Now next one, average life expectancy. Average life expectancy, that means what? How many years people will be live? That is just expectation, not actual. So average life expectation will be considered here. Next one is the infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate and drainage facility. This all points. There's a total 10 aspects. If there's all 10 aspects are improving, then we will say that country is improve, that country's improvement in the physical quality of human life. Clear? Now next one. If there is no improvement, then we can say that country has no improvement in the physical quality of life. Okay, so that country should be adopt this type of facility or this type of all things which can be improve their life. Every indicator can be relatively expressed. That indicator has the highest value is given 100. Okay. Now developed countries give greater importance for the improvement the physical quality of life. There's all developed countries. Okay. Developed countries, that means what? Which already use, which country already use, there's all type of natural resources, and these are just want to search new natural and human resources for the getting more and more use of this, because of they want to better improvement for that. Okay, so that's all we have completed. I hope you all got, and if you have any query, any doubt, you consult with me by personally message. Okay, today we have completed this all. I will revise some revise. We have completed for the improvement of the quality of life and PQLI. Quality of life, that means what? Improvement the standard of living of the people. Okay, and physical quality of life has this all points, because of quality of life is depend on the goods and services of the which used by the person or which consumed by a person. It has depend on these 3 points. First one, consumption of food, fuel and other non-durable goods. Second one, it's consumption of the durable and semi-durable goods. Third one is services during a period of time which consumed by a group or a group of peoples or a person. So PQLI, that means what? PQL, not I. Okay. This consumption standard or living standard determines the physical quality of life. It has this all 10 points, because there's all 10 points are aspects. If there's all 10 points are improving, then we can say physical quality of life is going on in a particular country. Okay. Food, health and medical services, housing and clothing, education and entertainment, transportation, communication and information services, energy, population having access to pure drinking water, average life expectancy, infant mortality rate, and drainage facility. If there's all 10 aspects are improving in a country, that means that country's physical quality of life is improving. Clear? We have completed this topic. Thank you. We will meet again in the next period. I hope you all got. Thank you very much.